Let's get into a deep dive on one of our favorite crystals, Moonstone. Moonstone is strongly connected to the energy of the moon. Its calming energy brings peace, balances emotions, and inspires creativity. Sometimes called the Stone of Destiny, Moonstone is perfect for new beginnings, guiding you through transitions with love and clarity. This air element crystal opens your third eye and crown chakras, helping you see beyond what your eyes can show and connect to your personal spirituality. Moonstone is especially connected to feminine energy and is a beautiful ally for love, abundance, and emotional balance. Perfect for anyone starting a new chapter or seeking clarity, Moonstone gently encourages confidence and openness to new possibilities. Let's get into the geology of Moonstone. Moonstone has captivated people for centuries with its soft, glowing shimmer. This luminous effect, called audulescence, appears when light dances between the layers of minerals inside the crystal, creating a gentle floating flash that makes the stone seem to glow from within. This effect is called schiller, and it's what gives Moonstone its almost ethereal quality, like holding a piece of moonlight in your hand. While Moonstone is popular for its silvery blue glow, it also comes in a wide range of colors from white and peach to blue, green, brown, and even black. These beautiful variations are caused by tiny amounts of other minerals naturally present in the stone, making each piece unique. High-quality Moonstone is translucent and has a bright, shimmering flash that seems to move as you change its angle in the light. Moonstone is part of the feldspar family, minerals that make up nearly 60% of the Earth's crust. It forms deep underground as molten rock cools very slowly over time. During this slow cooling process, thin layers separate, giving Moonstone the layered structure that creates its signature glow. Moonstone is mined mostly by hand in small artisanal mines around the world, with most prized pieces coming from Sri Lanka and India. Other sources include Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and the United States. Because it is softer than quartz, measuring about 6 to 6.5 on the Mohs scale, it should be handled gently to preserve its beauty and flash. Whether polished or left raw, Moonstone's subtle shimmer and natural variations make it a truly captivating stone. Its gentle glow connects us to the quiet, calming energy of the moon. Are you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or facing big changes in life? Moonstone is the perfect crystal to support you. Known for its calming and nurturing energy, Moonstone can bring clarity, emotional balance, and relaxation during times of transition. One of the most powerful ways to connect with Moonstone is through meditation. Imagine Moonstone's loving energy wrapping around you like a gentle hug. While stress or worries flow out, let the serene energy fill your body. Wearing Moonstone is another beautiful way to carry its energy and keeps its calming influence close to you throughout your day. Wearing Moonstone on your non-dominant hand draws tranquility in, while wearing it on your dominant hand directs peaceful energy outward, helping both you and those around you. You can also carry a small piece of Moonstone for extra support during new experiences, or place it in your home to inspire calm and restful sleep. It's especially effective in bedrooms and workspaces, encouraging focus, serenity, and positive energy. Regular cleansing is important to maintain Moonstone's power. Smoke, water, sound, or moonlight are all great methods. Because of its connection to the moon, placing it under full moonlight can amplify its energy. Avoid sun cleansing, as it can fade the stone's natural beauty. No matter how you use it, Moonstone is a gentle companion, helping you navigate change with calm, stay aligned with your inner voice, and embrace life's transitions with clarity and peace. Let us know which crystal you'd like to see a deep dive on next.